Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Swedish krona Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Founded in 2010 in Melbourne, Australia, Pepperstone is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker, serving traders in more than 150 countries. The broker has earned a strong reputation for its tight spreads, fast execution speeds, and reliable trading environment, making it a popular choice for both new and experienced traders. The broker is also widely recognized for its commitment to transparency, innovation, and award-winning customer service, helping establish its portion as one of the leading online brokers in the industry. Pepperstone provides access to more than 1,400 CFD instruments across a wide range of global markets. Traders can choose from over 90 Forex currency pairs, major global indices, commodities including precious metals and energy products, more than 1,100 share CFDs from leading international companies, over 90 ETF CFDs, and a selection of popular cryptocurrency CFDs. This diverse market offering allows traders to diversify their portfolios and take advantage of opportunities across multiple asset classes from a single trading account. Pepperstone supports a wide range of industry-leading trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4, 5, CTrader, TradingView, and its own proprietary Pepperstone trading platform. These platforms are available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, offering advanced charting tools, one-click trading, automated trading capabilities, custom indicators, and copy trading features. With multiple platform choices, Pepperstone caters to beginners, algorithmic traders, and experienced professionals looking for a flexible trading experience. The broker offers 2 live trading account types designed to suit different trading styles. This includes the standard account, which features spread-only pricing with no additional commission, making it a straightforward option for everyday traders, and the Razor account, which provides ultra-tight spreads with a fast commission per trade, making it a popular choice for scalpers, day traders, and algorithmic traders. Pepperstone also offers a risk-free demo account, allowing traders to practice strategies and explore the broker's platforms before trading with real funds. Additionally, the broker offers a comprehensive range of educational resources to help traders develop their knowledge and skills. Their learning hub features beginner-friendly guides, in-depth trading articles, platform tutorials, webinars, and educational videos covering Forex, CFDs, risk management, and trading strategies. Traders also gain access to market insights, trading guides, and regular insights from industry experts, making it easier to stay informed and improve their trading confidence at every experience level. At number 4 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets stands as a renowned financial institution committed to providing cutting-edge trading solutions for a diverse clientele. With a solid foundation in the financial markets, IC Markets has established itself as a leading broker, offering a wide array of trading instruments and services. Their global presence ensures accessibility for traders worldwide, while their commitment to innovation and transparency sets them apart in the dynamic world of online trading. IC Markets offers a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, catering to the varied needs of traders in the global financial markets. Traders can access a wide spectrum of assets, including Forex currency pairs, commodity CFDs, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. The broker ensures that their trading instruments incorporate the latest financial products, and the platform's versatility allows traders to explore and capitalize on various market movements, making IC markets a preferred choice for those seeking a robust and dynamic trading experience across multiple asset classes. IC Markets provides trading platforms which are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. And these platforms are namely the IC Markets proprietary trading platform, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, with social trading functionality and a diverse range of tools. Their trading platforms are designed to cater to the diverse trading preferences and styles of their clientele, solidifying their position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. As a globally recognized broker, IC Markets offers a versatile array of trading account types to cater to the distinctive preferences of traders around the world. These include the raw spread, standard, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. With these diverse account options, IC Markets ensures that traders have the flexibility to choose an account that aligns with their individual trading preferences and strategies. Whether prioritizing tight spreads, commission-free trading, or the innovative capabilities of CTrader, IC Markets aims to empower traders with tailored solutions for a dynamic trading journey. The broker also recognizes the importance of education in empowering traders to make better informed decisions. And the platform offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to enhance the trading knowledge and skills of its users. Traders can access a variety of educational material, including video tutorials, articles, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at enhancing their understanding of the financial markets. Overall, IC Markets stands as a preeminent global broker committed to providing a cutting-edge and inclusive trading experience. With a robust range of trading instruments, versatile platforms, and diverse account types, IC Markets caters to the unique preferences and needs of traders worldwide. They continue to set industry standards, offering a gateway to the world of online trading with sophistication and reliability. Coming in at number 3, we have IG. IG is a leading online trading and investment platform providing a comprehensive suite of financial products and services to traders and investors. IG empowers users to engage in a diverse range of financial markets, and as a leading player in the financial industry, their platform offers a user-friendly interface coupled with advanced trading features to facilitate seamless and informed decision-making. IG has positioned itself as a trusted partner for those seeking to navigate the complexities of the global financial markets. The broker offers a diverse array of trading instruments on its platform, offering a variety of options for individuals and institutions. And these instruments include Forex currency pairs, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, futures, and options. This extensive range allows users to tailor their portfolios to their specific investment goals and risk preferences. With competitive spreads and leverage options, IG provides a versatile and dynamic trading environment for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. IG offers a diverse range of cutting-edge trading platforms, tailored to cater to the varied needs of traders. These platforms are designed to provide seamless and intuitive experiences, empowering traders with advanced tools and features, and includes the IG proprietary trading application, MetaTrader 4, auto trading through Pro Real-Time, and more. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, IG's trading platforms aim to deliver a seamless and efficient trading experience, ensuring accessibility and functionality for all. They also provide a range of trading account types designed to meet the diverse needs of traders on their platform. Their accounts include spread betting and CFD leveraged accounts, share dealing accounts, stock accounts, the IG Smart Portfolio account, and the Smart Portfolio ISA account, with demo and Islamic account options. Each account type comes with unique features and advantages, allowing traders to align their choice with their specific trading objectives and preferences. They also provide a wealth of educational material aimed to enhancing market knowledge and refining trading skills. The educational resources cover a wide spectrum of topics, including foundational concepts, advanced strategies, risk management, technical analysis, and more. Through a variety of engaging formats such as video tutorials, webinars, and interactive courses, IG ensures that traders of all levels can access valuable insights and knowledge to make informed decisions in the financial markets. Whether for beginners or experienced traders, IG's dedication to education makes it a valuable destination for those looking to continually develop their trading expertise. Overall, IG stands as a prominent and trusted online trading platform dedicated to meeting the diverse needs of traders of all skill levels. With a user-friendly interface, a comprehensive array of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and a commitment to trader education through their academy, the platform provides a holistic and empowering experience for individuals navigating the financial markets. Whether one is a novice or an experienced trader, IG's commitment to transparency, innovation, and education positions it as a reliable partner for those seeking success in the dynamic world of online trading. At number 2 on our list is Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a leading global brokerage firm that provides a comprehensive range of financial services to individuals and institutional investors. Known for its advanced trading technology, the firm offers access to a wide array of asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and commodities, across more than 150 markets worldwide. The platform also supports cryptocurrency trading through select providers. With competitive pricing and advanced trading tools, Interactive Brokers enables investors to trade a wide variety of assets efficiently and strategically. Interactive Brokers provides a suite of powerful trading platforms designed to meet the needs of both beginner and professional traders. Their flagship Trader Workstation offers advanced charting, market analysis tools, and algorithmic trading capabilities. The Interactive Brokers client portal provides a user-friendly web-based platform for managing accounts and executing trades. For traders on the go, their mobile app delivers a seamless trading experience on smartphones and tablets. Additionally, the Interactive Brokers APIs allow for custom trading solutions and automated strategies. Interactive Brokers offers a variety of trading account types, tailored to the needs of individual traders, investors, and institutions. Individual and joint accounts are available for retail traders, while institutional accounts cater to hedge funds, financial advisors, and proprietary trading firms. The platform also provides specialized accounts, including retirement accounts, trust accounts, and accounts for small businesses. With flexible funding options and competitive pricing, Interactive Brokers ensures that clients can choose the account that best suits their trading and investment goals. Interactive Brokers offers a wide range of educational resources to help traders and investors enhance their knowledge and skills. The Interactive Brokers campus provides webinars, courses, and trading guides covering various financial topics. The Traders Academy offers structured lessons on trading strategies, market analysis, and platform tutorials. Additionally, clients can access market commentary, research reports, and real-time news updates. With these comprehensive learning tools, Interactive Brokers supports traders at all levels of experience in making informed investment decisions. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Swedish krona Forex brokers, we have Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a global investment bank specializing in online trading and investment services. Founded in 1992 and headquartered in Copenhagen, Denmark, it offers a comprehensive range of financial products, including forex, stocks, bonds, options, futures, and ETFs. With access to over 70,000 instruments, Saxo Bank provides competitive pricing, deep liquidity, and advanced trading tools to suit both retail and institutional traders. Its comprehensive product offering enables investors to diversify their portfolios and execute trades efficiently on world-class trading platforms. Saxo Bank provides powerful and intuitive trading platforms designed for traders and investors of all levels. Its flagship platforms, Saxo Trader Go and Saxo Trader Pro, offer seamless access to global markets with advanced charting tools, risk management features, and in-depth market analysis. Saxo Trader Go is a user-friendly web-based platform ideal for traders who need flexibility, while Saxo Trader Pro is a professional-grade platform with customized workspaces and advanced trading functionalities. Both platforms deliver a high-performance trading experience across desktop, web, and mobile devices, ensuring efficiency and precision for all users. Saxo Bank offers a variety of trading account types to suit different investment needs and trading styles, which include the Saxo, Joint, Corporate, Professional, ISA, SIPP, Trust, and Demo account types, with 3 tiers: Classic, Platinum, and VIP. The Classic account is designed for casual traders, providing access to a wide range of financial instruments with competitive spreads. The Platinum account caters to more active traders, offering enhanced support and additional benefits such as lower costs and higher leverage. For professional traders, the VIP account provides premium services including personalized support, exclusive tools, and tailored pricing. Each account type is designed to offer flexibility, advanced features, and optimal conditions for traders at every level. The broker provides a wealth of educational resources to help traders and investors enhance their knowledge and skills. Through the Saxo Academy, clients can access a wide range of learning materials, including video tutorials, webinars, in-depth articles, and expert insights. The platform covers essential topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and platform navigation. Whether beginners or experienced traders, Saxo Bank's educational resources empower users with the knowledge needed to make informed trading decisions and navigate global financial markets effectively. And those are some of the top 5 best Swedish krona forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.